So it got to a time and now order Zagmus public toilet or
and battles on.
Kafra.
No problem, it's part of life.
I don't wanna lie to you, baby boy. Wanna give you true love. We go shot to the one that I find true loving you. My baby boy. He be here when I hear them say we no go fear. He be take my front side out to the back side. As I don't care, man, baby girl, I am for me, baby, I'm feeling it. I'm on this accord, do it for me, baby, I'm feeling it. If in a emotion, never no more, do it for me, baby, I'm feeling it. Oh, this and I'm on never no more.
All right, I was for Hi Djka Nyan Support TV. Now, Oshe, me artist your team in Kenya, a lady Scarce. Na ono ebi. Yeah. My favorite ibi yawa. Me sure say bi I want it, but me favorite no. Ebi so I will me choose Djka no, but me dey me favorite ni yawa. So, ibi yawa.
When I hear them say we no go fear.
Ibi yawa.
When I hear them say we go crash today.
Ibi yawa.
I don't go see us coming, that keep pocket falling gutter.
Ibi yawa.
My baby, come to me, baby boy. Check my front side up to the back side. As you don't get mad, baby girl, I am for me, baby, I'm feeling it.
Hey, I'm on this sucker there.
Do it for me, baby, I'm feeling it. If in a emotion, no more, do it for me, baby, I'm feeling it. Oh, twist and emotion, no more. My baby, baby.
Wow, ibi yawa.
That's right.
All right, said about Kamezaka, lady Scarce, ewa ha say. Na mamene ne mo nkomo kakra. Nkomo bo we nhyɛ danche. We me pese me ma hu nipa na ote ase. Scarce lady, bibi aboko de.
Get the nyame ase na so we.
Nyame adom, me hu ye pa. Which part of Africa are you from?
I'm half Ghanaian, half Nigerian.
Because the intermediate can be south and as said you would so Nigeria be be frame no. And no na me bisa because as me hu ne say we dey Ghana nko a Nigeria Ghana.
Yeah.
Wow. Never say na be P Ghana.
Actually,
Because sen can you may so ye promo no Nigeria. Now be promo no Ghana.
I would say omo me wo Ghana na me was barely 2 years now. Me na now more than me call Nigeria.
Okay.
So quite unfortunately, me na so go free me.
Una na we.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we decided to trace my way back home. Me be fear. I be starting me be hana.
Okay.
Fear. So that's it. Because me mama I been.
Okay.
Yeah. So and also I before I can say oba bia o 2 pai kra na o time we do say kaso do fear.
Also be fear. Yeah.
Na wa ko fear. So sana see na me be fear be starting me bibia na e wo fear.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Enti enyom to adwuma na sha se time ben.
I shall say at the age of 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah, I was barely 7 years when I discovered sound talent in me. I was so addicted to any sound. Beer, me call sorry, and me call to the band players and also to play and then try to sing in any sound. Beer, me beti beer, me nanti street to cram it and young keke me to me jina or me be sasa and me review no hungra.
Oh, nante na ote nyuma. Utimi sasa na review ho.
Me review me hungra na me nkai no kra baby amenambio. Before I realized now, so me starting creative BB echo so. So I got do baby cry. Video be cry no kasa. And I say it becomes reply no will come in the terms of musical form.
Wow.
So I got do baby no beside me says this is a new form of madness in town. So, but I knew that it was a talent in me they call it. But I got do baby it has to manifest on its own. Yeah.
So, started at the age of 7. Na odeba from Onkwala Brimoto to Onyomo sorry schools. Una ma wote nyoma no ejina ne ade ade ba ne say na memfa ne say utimi ema o talent no ana ade a onim no be real eni lady Scarce ti ha me no interview.
It took my music career to profession in 2017.
2017.
Yeah, now I was rolling with the name ABM Star Girl. So, but Scarcely Entertainment discovered me 2022. I'm rebranding me. I rebranding me bibia sesame to say phone cover. So they see at same bibia me di bibia from osoro kodume.
See, your friend is Scarcely Entertainment. Omone buama udrive no it me be real.
Yes.
Wow. Na ona chinchin kope o ma na say e ba ne say na wo share o management as you say o manage you Scarcely.
Omo share me wo Poolside Hotel Valentine Day na keche there was a program na keche headed the program. Now no so enye me actually na omo invite me down for be a friend of Timeless GH.
Okay.
Ono bo nkwa na ode me picture momo na mo de me ka program.
Okay.
So me na me di mate that day me work car so na friend me catch me say oh ode me atu program bi me wo en fa member program no. Na me so send flyer no ma me. O send the flyer na the phone before nkwa me hwe bia. Then that evening na me nyene di mate be do ka so me see phone call dware kosa program. And also Scarcely Entertainment do money artist be a friend no abibiwo.
Okay.
Or the no basa program no perform me wie na drum me so. Me see me full stage no na nko mo person wonko. But no say artist call stage, you full stage we are no see from first no mo be ma wa konya setting na se kakra kwa na briti kakra. So start chance no mo ma no say on rest kakra no na ebie me nkwan ma me.
Wow.
Yeah, so omo tenase na me full stage na we started to nyom no na afia form before me hu ade ekoso omo ne manager Mr. Abisco sorry e won na begina o hwe me na am from ma me fans me wie si form ye there were 5 record label no mo ro share me no mbom so kan ho obeji me number first question na free ne no pie is that who management there be who other any record label there be me patch one number me bo me number nya no kwa na oje na mo dos na mo jeje number. But me call ya na me bomb pa me nyame on me call the right one. Then luckily for me Scarcely Entertainment won the vote of the day. And also mo so me ti so mo ne inua, mo ne ba, mo ne bibia ade me hede ade nanti.
You being a lady, you are in method a majuma pe Ghana higher than ye pa because a toda obi owa I just say we take advantage of you crans and bia obi owa aboa. And sana obi share current management who share bibisa.
Oh, me there enter na mama ka say bi ade bi wo ha me hwe bia me ka sa ade wenyi bi ya wakeke. So they say.
Okay.
So they were girls them more taka. Ba me ntoda. But baby I maybe can say me share that kind of a little bit challenge na time I made mate. Na me master ni say me nyoba. So ye mate na could do for like 3 months to 4 months and sana or find out say me nyoba afio pay me for dating.
Now ma only the na kana na udi hu mate no.
Yeah.
Okoi no nim say wo oba because of looks.
Exactly.
Inti e chere no be find out say wo oba no.
Yeah, I fear no pay me say man ye nante but one fan say be by force ade ana. But now me impediment is asem no because I know they use my body they do fine get. You know be that thing carry me go do mate. Sorry I say. So me yan won bibi sana she me boof me say chale.
Then you move.
Chale move ahead crap. Shifty kakra ma men hold your mobile free anymore. Sorry I say. But in terms of the management issue, me faces that kind of challenge that.
Wow.
The management, you know, omo very, very disciplined in terms of that. Business is business.
Yeah.
When it comes in terms of relationship, they knows that they are dating. So omo share me say omo be manage me, omo share me say omo babe. Didi me. So they are saying.
Yeah.
So what I say, thank you very much. So, they are very disciplined and that makes me respect them to the core.
Wow.
Ya kaso be ma bia pamba but you go through the bia no na dinu ye djuma. You be disciplined and respect yourself because on them so they no ye bibi pe e be say bibia because they say business before pleasure so they put the business first. That is why I respect them a lot.
Wow. Yeah, uncle hustling with my things. You made mention of you being a mate back then. Na yenhwe a mate adwuma nko na we and a denti na oba to sell na ukoye mate.
The challenge that I was facing then in life back then was very, very challenging. It was so difficult on me. Na me ne abusia phobia time me back cry baby me betina baby me beda. And also me dika ko bo kakra water fa the DCFC.
Okay.
Ba na me hwe e wo clubhouse no na emfa yet hon kwa kom na ku ye day and night.
Moni di
so we don't know ya kase management asem dey won the line no so I called baby I need to do something now e be to me a check akra dey aba me bottom me to me say nye bi didi because not that players so mo abusia for one cry omo ne maame to me from send DBC omo to me ko weekend e wo mo ne abusia fo fie ba me ni baby akọ so I make that decision na me na free taifa ba circle be di mate da be nye mate na me di ka be di ye be do circle na me dream me one left right me hu ade a me be ye but I need to do something so that me be nya isikenya ne edidi
yeah
na me ka share those wolo boys no mo gina street ho so mo be dress packaging normally mo ni pa no be ka se ne car na park baby wo be choma o boga o pe den o pe laptop swapping na bibi phone cover onye na che wo de wo course shop no ana ni pa no store o to bia na we swapping wo bibi kakra o benya free so oye wi ano so no fa wa de wona ti be pie nkwa no ka che se master wo se ma bo wona kenye sama fo be sisi wona de ape bibi cheme ba o mean so they are being happy so wa bo wa nyi bibi free bottom ache no no so be go back to that store so na ni pa no store wo no so be nche no
bibi kakra
so sana mi ye kakra na the day na me ho se street na mfaye ko ye kra na makofo ka idimate.
Okay.
So it continue like that until na me dey na boss no mo ye swapping. Omo swappy wie sa phones na nye papa. Enti na omo frame me star girl. Na star di no star girl no start no ye kosoro pa.
Oh, okay.
Omo the mommy omo to me the phone mommy like 7 phones. But 4 to wom. Make a me say 7 phones we ni na me botch na no pa ma me 100 cities.
Ubetwa ni nyina.
Me di ni na akwa agbogbo black market. Nya na soro dem say. Wo pe kura ma na blanket say abino enim. Me nya na che wo de be go fie. And obeto no good price. Obeto in a very good price that will be comfortable for me so me benya BP. Out of the 7 phones so kura me to me twa back more than the 100 cedis no mo se mem tua 7 nina. So the rest of other season nina enye me boto misika. So minya san yes na menya kakra.
Yeah.
Na so minya bia me na ma baby a me dream studio pay.
O haso ni nyina na wo san tua studio ska.
Me de cut your studio for recording.
Wow.
Me ya dey we ni na but baby a me beda was another difficult thing until me that for no more street no boys no I'm also kase me yo bema. So be am home the real agent my identity no mo hu ni so I'm kase me yo bema so I'm like Charlie no dey na o say baby o da na say any na say e call kasoa some public toilet be wo me say ye benya baby ada wo say why not ye to me na antikora free circle I have bon komo ye na anti wele ko ye hu baby ye ko dru kasoa na sa toilet ne di ne ye most public toilet and bathhouse e wo kasoa zongo after masalachi obia bi o te kasoa nem sa most public toilet bathhouse ho no mo ni na ko private so me ko dru ho dia de nya baby anda no place to stay but only say you can be free in that place say obe hang around no until adebechi and also most times they be dru ho dia is very late no but definitely me be dru ho na very late but to me ko to the last bathroom no ho akoshe me sa me na church ka se me ko akogware ano makoda ebe da ho amade ache na so most times so if I the owner no starting hanging around the song or TBB so person who are there cost maybe starting call private before the bench me to make call private like 20 times
only BT
me the BT in the time so by all means onu bom no be feel that so what not no bribe by all means obetunika free hall there if e bia me so ma bribe me power cannot carry it na me the BB to baby na eya uko private UP a obe wora won sem I say there is a mirror bi me the BB at the to hall there na mada e bi o mo ne duster 1 2 3 bi na to make the share from no kra me da enso me body ni na me be da no sa.
So it got to a time and now order Zagmus public toilet or
them battles on
Kafra.
No problem, it's part of life. So so me yes sir before the bechi I'm for be sorry I started back private camera my dware e free on ato going back to circle.
Wow.
So that was the challenges ni na me pass it through was street. And also during time on na me nya sika kakra bia me dey call Morgan Studio. I work aswa.
Okay.
I dey call Hano so on recording me. The most engineer no my attention is Master Morgan and a big Sam. But the rest of other engineers may come almost say our talent be any so kuta who was our talent no boom. But any talent ni be didi. Without money we cannot operate. So go back to the streets. Would the year would the mate ye omo ti jobo ye wad na ti bi jobo na the second year then.
Fabra.
So that was the biggest challenge that I face here.
Wow. Kafra. But said Okanina is part of life. Here you are today. Lady Scarce Obia Ofa baby. First timer, I think say now I were there back then. And you came under a record label, they recorded you. On your bab on see a born on radio ni TV. How was the feeling like?
It was so glorious. I felt like I was on top of the world. It was a dream come true. I even feel so happy to an extent that I made family phone. Video producer no. I me started that as it say be me drew me hit. That's as in no more me video. Me from bia back me starting more promise almost say nya botre. Ma wakoma Charlie so ye. So when yes over happiness to me my bodamo.
Wow. In the Obaka radio station di kind boy when first.
The first radio station na.
I would say, and I will be friends. Hey, matter say born you know how. Ne radio station be.
The first radio station they Djka born me nyoma. It was on Rock FM.
Rock, eh?
Rock FM in Sedro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Me ti wana me ti say Rock FM born na me foka. Ko baby. Kokota ade. Na me ti say Imanyum na. Hey. Aka kana ka be person my passengers need now who say
hey you want
no hey ready na no so another radio station no so me ti fie o no be frame mbom na me kotunu akotie enye Kesbin radio
Kesbin
me ti fie no be frame star girl enyum na kosu gidi e wo Kesbin chale me say obo o say chale tuning into me tuning in I didn't giddy.
And I said, wow, this is me.
Seriously, it makes it the happiness become over. I was so overwhelmed to an extent that who did the banekwa breme ni me who the banibio. Me who the me. But I was able to try to comport myself to sit at home.
Wow.
Na cheke le discuss e kase di bani maybe di ban. So that I said, but the happiness overcovered everything around me then.
Wow.
So it was a dream come true.
Wow. All right. Said the make and we ne bibi kakra bi yenhwe na yen wrap it up. Say enyum no ababonten wi EP na say a single now dey aba.
In your first two single na they drop it and there is another heavy single on the line to shoot. Titled Queen of Africa.
Queen of Africa.
Yeah, it's a proclamation. It was about time I proved to the world that there is something that the starting the industry back then when there was no computer and all those things. You know, there are some sound in the neglected. Bronifono or mobile baby sound and most other things. No one they call
the Bibia Kahon
different and now them we respect and respond to their own calling and forgetting the real our real identity. So I say Queen of Africa is meant to return us back, bring back our memory to who we used to be. Wow. So I say, and then before Queen of Africa will drop, there is a collaboration there is a song that will be dropping before then. That is with one of the finest artists, Cash BGH featuring Lady Scarce. Okay. Is a very powerful hip hop song. Maybe say a very heavy song will be. So after that, Queen of Africa will be on your screen. Okay. Yeah.
I can't wait to hear Queen of Africa. Let's wrap up your social media handles and where we can get these two songs we've just dropped to stream. Yeah.
My name is Lady Scarce in all social media handles, but Lady Scarce Star Girl on Instagram, Lady Scarce on Facebook, Lady Scarce on TikTok. Now also Upeme Enyom Etie. My song is out in all the guitar stores. All the guitar stores. Just Bomidi Lady Scarce. And also you can watch my video on YouTube on Scarcely Entertainment. And also Upeme to book me for any
program.
For any program. to me every me management team on 024 33 43 155 or you WhatsApp them on 020 45 03 629. And also person for family le discuss no kasa chat chale send me a message on Instagram, but before you do that follow me in all my social media handles. I will reply you directly.
All right, thanks for coming. Ibi yawa
when I hear them say we no go run.
Ibi yawa
when I hear them say we go crash today.
Ibi yawa
and them go see us coming the keep pocket for the gutter.
Ibi yawa
my baby,
come to me, baby boy. All right, that was your Djka Nyansapo TV, and then the first time I'm making sure say obe subscribe and press the notification button for more videos. You better say share. You pay money transfer. Ope so send this car from Abuja. Teacher no more US. Now the baby drew Ghana. Making sure so be you do pay. Enye do pay. Enye transfer we be a. We use Apple phone. Patchok. Bomodia so obe call Apple Store. No download the application. The Samsung 900 and so obe call Play Store. No wa download it. Na o send the bomodi so be use me promo code Djka. O send ya no nya $5 na the account scan. The o send ya brand Ghana no so yen nyini bibia. Ju pay awon wade omo no. Me da say wahwe me. Bomodi answer time bia obehwe na subscribe to Djka Nyansapo TV. I'm off.